Hi, welcome to EpidBot. EpidBot is a tool for general epidemic intelligence. On the surface, it's just another chatbot, but it's much more. It can combine natural language conversational interface with the ability to perform custom data analysis. It contains expert knowledge in public health, global health, and epidemiology, and direct access to a growing number of public global health datasets that it can use completely without limit. EpidBot can perform analysis such as this, as you can see on the screen, like the distribution of malaria incidence, an analysis of malaria incidence in Somalia. It can fetch the data, create the analysis, and interpret it. And you can always proceed in a conversational way to expand and deepen your analysis as you see fit, generating yet another analysis with more graphs, and you can create full reports. It's basically limitless. All your interactions with EpidBot are grouped into sessions. You can create easily a new session by creating the plus button, or you can just switch to older messages such as this or that, and everything you did before is not gone. It continues there to be there for you to continue that particular conversation at a later time. You can also search, for instance, any session. I can type here malaria, and it shows all conversations that I had over the subject of malaria for me to re-access. I can also enrich the data, the public data sets that are already available to EpidBot with my own data sets that I can upload, and these data sets remain private to me as a user, not being exposed in any other way to other users of the platform. So this gives you enormous flexibility to analyze sensitive data that only you have access to. EpidBot can also generate reports. You can see here a lot of reports that I've already done, and I can not only look at the reports, but I can also edit the reports and modify it in any way that I see fit. I can edit this collaboratively with other colleagues, and once I've done with my modifications to the report, I can save it and export it again as a PDF. And all reports can be exported as a PDF file for usage outside the system. The export epidemiological knowledge of EpidBot is ever growing. It contains a large knowledge base, as we call it, which are grown organically as the agent itself identify needs and important sources. It can autonomously integrate these new sources to the knowledge base, but also any user can come here and upload new text content, documents, or web pages to the knowledge base so that EpidBot knows about that specific thing. With EpidBot, you can configure the language of the interface. It's a multi-language tool, so I can switch my interface to Chinese, for instance, and if I want to, or Portuguese, Spanish, English, or Arabic are the 5 languages that are already supported. More languages can be added easily upon request. So I invite you to have a look at EpidBot. We are running a pilot program right now, so you can register to be invited to our pilot program and experience the app for yourself for a limited amount of time. Thank you for your attention.